Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your SEO strategy with Moz, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of SEO. Familiarize yourself with the core principles and best practices. Next, create a Moz account if you don't already have one. Access the Moz dashboard to explore its features. Begin by using the site crawl tool to identify technical SEO issues. Run a crawl on your website to pinpoint errors. Review the report generated by the site crawl. Focus on fixing issues such as broken links and missing meta tags. Once your site is optimized, conduct keyword research using Moz Keyword Explorer. Enter relevant keywords related to your niche. Analyze the search volume and difficulty for each keyword. Select a mix of short-tail and long-tail keywords to target. Create high-quality content that incorporates the chosen keywords. Utilize Moz on-page grader to optimize your content further. Check for keyword usage, readability, and meta descriptions. Make adjustments based on the recommendations provided. Monitor your website's performance using Moz Rank Tracker. Set up your keywords to track their rankings over time. Analyze fluctuations in rankings and identify trends. Use this data to adjust your SEO strategy as needed. Leverage Moz Link Explorer to analyze your backlink profile. Identify opportunities to acquire high-quality backlinks. Outreach to relevant websites for guest posting or collaboration. Regularly audit your backlinks to remove any harmful links. Consider using Moz local SEO tools if you have a local business. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. Encourage customer reviews to enhance your local visibility. Be sure to analyze your competitors using Moz competitive research tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.